You'd think that when making long haul flights, and an hour would be great for transferring from one flight to another, but that wasn't so. And I found when I went in to check into my connecting flight after a very long haul flight, they said, "Sorry, you can't make it. You've missed your flight." And I thought, what? How can that happen? And they said, well, it says here in the system that it might happen. And so they gave me a food and beverage voucher. They were very pleasant, they were very nice. But you know what? I really did not want to miss that flight. So the thing is, some things are out of our control, but they had it well in control. They took care of me very nicely, provided for me, and my bag made the next flight as well. So all's well that ends farewell, but with long haul flights, anything can happen.